Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I showed you part 1 of the Happy Mail journal. I put some more pages in here, and I used Laura the Jersey Creatives method of using the hinge to put my pages in, and I've got some things in here now that came from different places. I wanted to share these two with you. But anyway, what I'm going to do is keep adding pages to the back and front as I need to, using this hinge method for this month. And I kind of like this method. It's holding up good with the file folder, so I'm going to do it. And as things come in, I will collage the front and back covers. So, yeah. Anyway, Carahart sent me these. And it touched me so much, and it tickled me, because she had these postcards that she could have sold in her auction and made some money, but she didn't. So, you guys that watch my lives know who Clyde is. Every single postcard in this pack she sent me is signed by some guy named Clyde, and it's his travels. And this was 1979, 2002, but I've got a whole stack of them, but I only put 2 in here so far. But Clyde went everywhere. I mean, he was in California. This is Sacramento. Let's see. This is New Jersey. Ooh, he was in New Jersey. He spent a half a day in Williamsburg. Oh, and Cape May. Isn't that odd? He went to Cape May and Atlantic City, my 2 favorite places in New Jersey. And this looks like it says 1980. I can't really see it that well. Here he is in Capitol Reef National Park in Utah. And Clyde's just a little jet setter, wasn't he? I wonder if he was an RVer. Paris, Las Vegas, not Paris, France. And this was 2003. And I'm thinking he sent it either home to his sister or best friend or parents, because it's always addressed to the same people. And he was in Vegas again. Same place. Oh, I can't see the postmark. Hoover Dam and Bonnie Springs Ranch in Red Rock Valley of Howard Hughes fame. Wow. And the postmark's blurred. Nevada. And here he is in San Bernardino, California in 2001. So yeah, I mean, anybody finds any postcards signed by Clyde, I'm interested in them, because this could become my new collection thing. But how great is this? I just love it. I was looking for the Cape May one. Can I put it in here? No. I love Cape May. Cape May and Atlantic City both have special memories for me. Mr. Pete's brother worked in Atlantic City for years and years and years. So, this is the first page I did, and if you remember, I showed you I was going to put this pocket in, this envelope in here and make a pocket, so I just collaged on it and put Arlene's note in there. And this is the Wise Guy little book she made that she sent me for Clyde. So I'm keeping it in here so it doesn't get lost. So on today's page, I'm going to put my paper piece that I got from Laura, who is the one-legged witchy woman, here on YouTube. And hope it glues, because these aren't the best glue sticks for glue books. And this paper was in the pack, so I'm going to put that with it. And then I'm going to put her little card with the piece of washi tape and the paperclip here, and she purchased a gift for me from Meta Studios on Etsy, and had them send it to me, which if you saw the other video, it was a paper pack, and I loved it. So, let me move this over here. Just leave this right like this for now, and then I need to flip back to Miss Arlene's envelope, because what we were doing in the Facebook group, Kathy's World, is we were sending each other cutouts to make a dedicated page to the person who sent it to us. So I'm going to put some of the cutouts in here to go with her envelope, and then in my glue book I'm still going to make a page because she sent plenty. And I picked this lady in particular so that when I look and I see her smiling face, I think of Arlene. And then she made this envelope out of strong and velvety dark chocolate. Oh yeah. And it has some little clippings in there. I'll leave this one in there. Aren't they? I mean, she sent a whole bunch of them, but I want to put this in here. And I want this, I'm going to leave the flap up because I want to leave the name showing. I don't want to cover up her beautiful little envelope either. There you go. So, this is going to be Arlene's page in this book, and then I will do her another one in my glue book. And then for here, I want to put a piece of Miss Christie's paper again. And I want to put her little bag with the card on it that Allie's gift came in, that I showed in another video. But this was the gift. Allie capped the ladybug. And now I'm going to put Christie's card in here from her and Allie. And there you have it. So now, can I take this off of here? Yes. I'm going to add Christie's wax seal with her store logo on it. Ooh. And we'll leave this open to dry well so it doesn't stick together. And it's all caught up. So, thank you to everybody who is mailing things so that I can continue with my building my journal. And I love it all. So, thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.